Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your premise app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings down here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and then you're looking for premise app, or just click on search. Then here at premise app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click on for stop. Click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store. Then you search here for premise app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.